This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. This is April 11th, 2007, and this is your Forex Report. I'm Daryl Richburg, filling in for Scott Norse today. The dollar has been mixed again today in response to several reports released overnight, and this morning ahead of the FOMC minutes. This morning's highlight was the release of the International Monetary Fund's semi-annual report. In the report, the IMF lowered its growth forecast for the U.S. in 2007 from 2.9% to 2.2% due primarily to problems in housing. However, the fund added that it expects a growth pause, not a recession, and sees 2008 growth at 2.8%. Further, the report indicated that fund officials agreed with the Fed's approach to monetary policy in recent months. The IMF also spoke on the topic of carry trades, saying that such trades are not as destabilizing as some think and see no reason for intervening. As for the euro, the IMF sees no reason for concern over its strength and sees the possibility of more than one rate increase from the ECB this year. Those comments had only minor influence on prices as the FOMC minutes were still ahead and the G7 meeting is just 2 days away. The FOMC minutes proved helpful to the dollar, but we must wonder for how long the comments will lend support. The Fed said that it dropped the tightening bias amid increased uncertainty, but the minutes went on to say further policy firming might prove necessary. While we're not going to start placing bets on rate hikes just yet, this should certainly quiet the chatter of cuts in the next few months. Given the considerable dollar weakness seen recently, the currency was set for a rebound and used the hawkish comments to do just that. Looking ahead, Australian employment numbers will be released during the Asian session tonight and should be of great interest to traders. The European calendar is rather dull again tonight ahead of the ECB rate decision tomorrow morning. We're getting closer to the release of this week's important U.S. data, but have only weekly jobless claims out tomorrow. Until next time, this has been Daryl Richburg with your Forex Report.